Alright, in this video we're going to look at gluing up a frame. You're only allowed to glue in one direction, so that is going to be this way across our joins. The first thing that you want to do is prepare and have 4 sash clamps ready. Make sure that the clamps are all the way to the back, and you want to have the clamps set so that they're on the ends. Alright, prepare and make sure that you've got these parts placed on the clamp. It's important that the clamp itself is in line with the center of the join across here. So in line with the center of the join. Place a piece of timber underneath to raise up the wood so that is in line with the center of the screw along the other axis. Make sure that you've got the joins directly matching. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 6, so forth. You should have face side facing outwards. And when you're ready, you want to tighten it with 2 fingers worth of pressure because you do not want to bow it apart. Two fingers with the pressure. Alright. Next, we're going to place this on top. We're going to reverse it. We're going to have this on top. Ensure you set your pin. Holding it flat, you're going to do 2 fingers worth of pressure. Over the center of our join. Okay, you may now take this out. You want to check for wind. So that is, if you look in the frame, you want to make sure it's not twisted. Check that your frame is square. Check the distances between each one are the same between here. Check your diagonals. So that is measuring from one corner to the other corner. This is 584, and this corner to this corner is 584. So if they're the same diagonal distances, then the frame is square. If any of these do not match up correctly, you need to take off the clamps and fix the problem. If everything is correct, then you've successfully done a dry fit. You can then unclamp your work. Okay, take your frame apart. You will use PVA glue and a water bucket to clean up any spills. Make sure you place enough glue inside the join so that it coats both edges. You want to have enough glue so it comes out of the joints. When it's all glued up, you'll then place it back in and re-clamp. Okay, check one more time to make sure it's perfectly straight. Check your squares. Okay. Check your distances and check your diagonals. Once you're done, get your teacher to inspect. Wipe off any extra glue that is on the frame. Clean off the lid and return your objects to where you found it. Okay, you may want to place this outside to dry.